When you're shopping for a microwave for a dorm room, there are a variety of factors to consider. Still, most people will agree that dimensions and space compatibility are probably top of mind. If you're interested in more than basic functionality, additional cooking features may also be important to you. Number 1. Emerson Grill or Microwave Oven.
Just because you're in college doesn't mean that you aren't interested in making gourmet meals. If this sounds familiar, some of the more basic compact microwaves may not appeal to you. So, we're including this model from Emerson because it offers plenty of power and space along with a standout feature, grilling. The Emerson microwave offers 1,100 watts of power and a 1.2 cubic foot capacity. The external dimensions measure 20.6 inches wide, 17.3 inches deep, and 12.8 inches tall with a 12.4 inch. Number 2. Black Decker Digital Microwave. Anyone who's visited a college dorm room knows that often enough, those rooms aren't known for being massive. So, if you're trying to maximize space but still want a microwave, it's important to find one with smaller dimensions. We like that this Black & Decker microwave is one of the smallest from our research with external dimensions that measure 17.3 inches wide, 13 inches deep, and 10.2 inches tall. Why we like it? Pre-program button 700 watts with 10 power settings, large LED digital display, easy to read control panel. Number 3. Toshiba Countertop Microwave.
For many people, a quiet appliance is a good option. So, we like the microwaves that give you the freedom to turn off the alert noises. This pick from Toshiba is another great option that does exactly that. With 900 watts of cooking power and 0.9 cubic feet of interior space, this is another great option for someone who wants to do more than simply make popcorn. The external dimensions are 19.2 inches wide, 15.9 inches deep, and 11.5 inches tall with a 10-inch turntable diameter.
Number 4. Nostalgia Countertop Microwave Oven. This retro-looking microwave with an amazing design will bring your dorm to a whole new level. It will bring a pop of color and help you with everyday food preparation. This microwave by Nostalgia is equipped with 700 watts of power to be sure that your food will be well prepared and delicious. The capacity of 0.7 cubic feet will give you enough space for any food. Why we like it? 700 watts cooking power, convenient cooking controls, digital clock, simple program dial. Number 5. Panasonic Microwave Oven.
Did you know that we're all using our microwaves incorrectly? Cooking everything at high power is actually not the best way to reach healthy, delicious results. The problem is that most microwaves don't really have low power levels. Instead, they pulse on and off high power, leading to inconsistent results, hot and cold spots, undercooked centers, and liquid splatters. Panasonic's patented inverter technology puts an end to all of that frustration. With a steady stream of cooking power at all power levels, foods come out evenly cooked every time. Inverter microwaves have other advantages as well. With a smaller, more efficient motor, Panasonic inverter microwaves have much larger interior cavities, maximizing the interior space while minimizing the overall footprint on your counter. Inverter is also more efficient. Our powerful microwaves cook food up to 40% faster than non-inverter models. And we didn't just invent inverter technology for microwaves. We've continued to innovate and refine that technology and are proud to be the #1 inverter microwave brand in the US today. Our Genius sensor technology takes the guesswork out of microwaving, detecting the moisture level in your food, and then defrosting, reheating, and cooking to perfection. Basics like potatoes, popcorn, and beverages come out exactly the way you want them. And our auto-cook menus make cooking fresh and frozen vegetables, entrees, and snacks fast and easy. And our easy clean interiors make cleanup quick and convenient. With a combination of inverter and Genius sensor technology, Panasonic microwaves empower you to defrost, reheat, and cook with confidence. Features like Keep Warm, Turbo Defrost, and Child Lock are designed for convenience and ease for both everyday and entertaining. For smart, fast, beautiful appliances that are built to last, trust Panasonic.